Here's the video for the 2025 Volvo EX30 Twin Motor Performance Ultra. With this being Ultra, this is top of the line. You will have a charger in the car. This car comes with the Pilot Assist as well as Climate package. Very spacious trunk. Also has dimensions, so you know what can fit and what won't. Very nice two-tone door panels. Panoramic glass roof. You will have the power window options here. This does come out. Cup holders. This does have an HK sound system. Almost looks like a sound bar and has surround sound, which sounds phenomenal. This has Park Pilot Assist.